Have you ever been in a situation where someone owes you money and they promise to send it over Cash App? But then, you're staring at your phone, clueless about what to do next. You're not alone. Millions of people are joining the Cash App world every day, and receiving money can be a bit overwhelming if you're new to it. So, let's dive in and figure out how to effortlessly receive your hard-earned cash on Cash App. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App downloaded and set up. If you haven't already, go ahead and do that. It's a quick and easy process. Once you're in, you'll notice a simple interface. That's by design. Cash App wants to make your financial life as smooth as possible. Now, let's talk about receiving money. The most common way to receive money on Cash App is through a cash tag. It's like your personal username on the app. To find your cash tag, go to your profile. It's usually something simple like $your name. Share this with anyone who wants to send you money. But what if someone doesn't know your cash tag? No worries. Cash App has you covered. There's another way to receive money, through your phone number. When someone wants to send you money, they can simply enter your phone number, and the funds will be sent to your Cash App account. Okay, so you've received your money. But what can you do with it? Well, Cash App offers a range of options. You can instantly transfer funds to your bank account, invest in stocks or Bitcoin, or even use the cash card for in-store purchases. But wait, there's more. Cash App has a feature called Boosts. These are special offers that can give you cash back on purchases at specific stores. It's like getting paid to shop. So, keep an eye out for those. Now, let's address a common concern: security. Cash App takes security very seriously. They use advanced encryption to protect your information. But it's always a good idea to be cautious. Never share your Cash App PIN or sign-in information with anyone. Alright, so you've got the basics of receiving money on Cash App. But what if you encounter a problem? Well, Cash App has a support section within the app. You can find answers to many common questions there. If you still need help, you can contact Cash App support directly. Remember, while Cash App is generally safe and reliable, it's essential to use it responsibly. Avoid sending money to people you don't know, and be wary of scams. So there you have it, a simple guide to receiving money on Cash App. It's a convenient and easy way to manage your finances. From receiving funds to spending and investing, Cash App offers a range of features to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.